That is seriously one spoiled dog. Were you rubbing him, or you just,
No,
he was just like that? You're pitiful, Disney.
And then the DJ booth can go right.
Okay. Oh wait, not in my face!
No!
Shut it! Okay, come on, this way. No! Come on!
Oh God, I made it angry! I made it angry!
The dogs, they're not angry, are they? They're not angry, come on. Oh,
Oh God, I might have did it. Oh no, no, no!
Okay, Making them sit. Bobby! Baby pouring her coffee. She may be straightening his tie. Maybe.
Oh, you are so, it's been so long since you've sung this
All
song.
hidden by a hill. She's sitting playing piano. He's sitting paying a bill.
You are so out of tune.
I don't remember the song.
Because you don't remember it. Oh, that
What's
was a
another
good
one?
one. You sung that one really well back
What's
then.
another one?
Look, she
What's a
turned her
slow
back
song?
on.
What's a
I just sung to her and she turned around and faced me.
Oh, I know one. I love this. Really love this song. I'm just like, oh, that's so cute. Okay, it's called From the Ground Up. But I need the lyrics because I don't remember them.
So we're trying to get a reaction out of the bird people if you haven't guessed it.
It's not working.
No, because I was singing to her earlier today, and at one point she was like trying to bite me through the cage, and the next point she was chirping with me. So we're trying to get Skylin, but Skylin's getting no reaction out of her whatsoever.
Dance a baby, slip a sable under the tree for me. I've been an awful good girl, Santa baby. Hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the boys that I haven't kissed. Next year I'll be just as good if you'll check off my Christmas list.
She went to her
baby.
boyfriend when
Yeah,
you
so she could
sang
kiss
it.
Santa baby.
We
a
called the little
54
birdie over there her plastic
convertible
boyfriend.
to Light blue.
You got her in the mood, Skylin.
Oh God.
She laughed. Look, she yelled at you. Where are you going? Come back and
Santa
see.
baby, slip a sable under the tree for me. I've been an awful good girl, Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I'll be just as good if you'll check off my Christmas list. Da-dun-da-dun. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. That's all the song I remember. So Santa baby, hurry down the chimney tonight. Hurry down the chimney tonight.
Let's see. Read it. What's it say? Wait a minute. Okay, cool. Look at the gift card.
That is cool.
You like that?
Yeah.
With Mickey playing soccer?
I'm going to keep this.
What are you going to keep the card? I think.
Yeah.
Food?
No, I don't know.
Oh my gosh. What is that? What are you doing?
That's so boring.
That one's boring.
Also boring. Go back to the other one. Oh, frog. Frog!
This is a spray bottle. I'm used to a spray bottle.
Oh. Her laptop died.
Did it have a low battery?
I don't know.
What happened to your laptop? I was quite enjoying seeing y'all making faces at the computer screen.
crashed.
So baby girl can't figure. Oh, she may have just figured out what to do. Yep, she figured it out. She was trapped in there by their feet
Hi.
and legs. Oh, now it's going to be a game. She might go back in.
I like
Yep.
this game.
Because you don't have to do
I
anything.
lean back, my feet are up,
And she's giggling.
and she's entertained. This is good parenting right here.
What are you doing? What are you doing down there? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where What's going on there with your leg, Disney? Caroline's found the spot on his back. Do it. Rub him harder. See if the leg will.
He's trembling.
His head's up in the air. Okay, now stop. See what he does. Leave your hands up. Yep. Okay, stop again.
Where?
Put your hands down. See if he nudges them. He'll position himself under your hands. You're so spoiled.
Come here.
She changed.
Really, Disney?
Okay.
Huh?
Did you see what just happened, Langley?
That he barked in my ear and it hurt?
No. That as soon as I turned the camera on, he started whining and barking. He was fine until I turned the camera on. Like he knows what it is and that he wants the attention. Hey, baby girl, you getting new shoes on?
Where are you going?
You going bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you blow me a kiss? Blow a kiss. No. She goes, no.
She said, mwah.
Mwah. Bye-bye. She's like, take me to the door. Bye-bye.
Stop.
Oh, my goodness.
No, no.
Hi! So, wow, whenever I talk, I can feel it. Okay. Today we went to a bunch of different run errands and stuff, and I wanted to get a snail for my fish tank to like keep it clean and stuff. And then I saw the snails, and nothing really like stuck out and looked that cool. So I wanted this fish. It was called like a shark something or another. It had like orange fins, and I asked the lady to get it for me. And she asked me what kind of size tank I have. I said 10 gallons, and then what fish were in it. I said guppies, and she said it would kill them all and eat them. So we decided not to get that. And then, because I changed my mind on getting the snails, I wanted a different little fish. And then I got this thing. He's kind of like an algae eater, but I'll show you when he gets in the tank, I think. But yeah, he pretty much eats anything. I thought of a name for him. It was Herman. I think Herman would be a good name. But you guys leave comments below what you think would be a good name for him.
Come here. Move it.
Oh, it's big.
I don't get to show these mountains often because I'm normally doing the driving, but we are almost home.
Rainbow way up high. There's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby.